Hi, I was going to show you a quick workaround for the question you had about the recently used folders for different clients. So it's a slightly different workaround than what you had kind of described, but it might help you accomplish the same task. So I've got 5 captures down here in my tray, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch to the tags tab, and whatever image you're on, you can enter a keyword. So it can be either, you can use quotes to use 2 different words like client number 1, or you can also just say, Technic, like that's your client is Technic. So I'll make the first one called client number 1. If you notice down here in the tags tab over here, it lists that keyword now. If I have 3 other images that are associated with client number 1, I can assign that to that guy, and then assign that to this one as well. And so let's say these other 2 over here are related to client number 2. I'm going to assign client number 2 to both of those. So now, to kind of come back to your original workflow where you're kind of switching between 2 different clients kind of frequently, if you go to this little library folder down here, this will take you into the Snagit library. And then once you're in that view, you can click on your different keywords. So this would be like your grouping that you mentioned. So if you had 20 captures for client number 1, you could click on those, select them all, right click and open them, and then do all the edits that you need to for those. And then if you need to switch back to client number 2, you could switch to that one really quickly and open those files separately and do any of the edits that you might need to do. So the way that this works is it's leveraging kind of a metadata that Snagit can store, and so it's, even though you're not directly interacting with Windows Explorer or the file system, you're still editing files that are in Snagit without touching with Windows Explorer or the open menu that you had talked about. So I know this isn't the exact kind of thing you're looking for, but I think it might be kind of a